Good morning, ladies. This is your new 8-minute cool down that's going to help you stretch, relax, and recover your muscles after we've done a workout together. We've got 16 exercises, 30 seconds each. All you need is your mat to follow along with me, and we can get started. All right, everyone, so we're getting started with our stretch. I'm gonna try my best not to be my loud, hyped self today. We're gonna bring the feet together. The knees come wide. I'm gonna start the timer in about 3 seconds, but I just want you to gently press on those knees to start. And in 3, in 2, in 1. Okay, I want you to take an inhale. And as you exhale, let's bring the arms to the side and we're gonna lean forward, drawing them in front. Now lower the head down towards the mat, relax the shoulders, relax the head all the way down, and try your best to stretch out against those thighs. You're gonna feel this on the outer part of your thighs. It's also gonna stretch the hips. Now pulse forward for 3, and up, and 2, and up. And last one forward, try to get it a little deeper, and we come up, bringing that left foot into the right thigh, bring it nice and close. We're gonna take a nice inhale, bring the arms overhead. As we exhale, we rotate slightly and come down as far as you can comfortably. You don't need to force the stretch. We're gonna breathe right here. Take an inhale for me. And as you exhale, let's try to come down a little bit deeper into that stretch, trying to reach towards the foot. We're gonna stretch out the hamstring and the thigh right here. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. We inhale, come up, switching sides. That right leg comes in towards the left thigh. We bring the arms over with an inhale. As we exhale, we rotate and lean down into that stretch. Now just hold right here. Shoulders relaxed, head is relaxed. Breathing, enjoying the recovery. And as you take an inhale, I want you to exhale and reach down a little bit further. Try to get to that toe and then gently pull back on it if you can for 3, for 2, for 1. Okay, I want you to gently rise up. We're gonna come onto our backs. From here, I want you to bring your left foot over the right knee. Now take your hands up. We're gonna reach behind the right thigh and bring that gently up, pulling back on this area here. So you're gonna feel this in the hamstring, the glute, the outer thigh. And if you want a little extra pressure here, you're gonna push down on that left knee and just pulse for 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna switch sides so that right foot comes over the left knee. Let's bring those arms up. Grasp behind the thigh. Can be a little tricky at first, but it is definitely an effective stretch to use, especially since we had so many leg days, right? All right. I feel my hyper self coming on. I'll try to put her at bay. Press down on that knee if you want. For 3, for 2, for 1. All right, let's hug those knees in, and we're gonna gently lower them down to the ground. Great job. So we're gonna come over onto our sides now. I want you to relax your head in your hand. We're gonna have a bend in that bottom leg. Now we're gonna bring that top foot behind, and we're gonna try to reach for our toe, pulling it closer towards the booty. So you wanna try to bring it as close as you can, getting a nice stretch in that quad. There you go. Now just hold and relax right here. Pull back a little bit further. For 3, for 2, just breathe. For 1, you can release that hold on the foot. We're just gonna log roll over to the other side here. Head in your hand, and again, bend in that bottom leg, reach for that top foot, and just gently pull back on it. Just enjoying that stretch, enjoying the stretch in the quads. I know I am definitely feeling this today, and it feels ever so good. We were due for a new cool down. Hold, and just pull back a little bit further. For 3, for 2, for 1, and you can bring it forward. We're gonna come into a tabletop position now. So your hands are right below the shoulders. We're gonna take that left foot and pop it out towards the side, relaxing the toe down. Now we're gonna gently lean back, bringing our booties to our foot, and stretch those arms in front. You're gonna feel this on the inner thigh area. Relax the head down, shoulders are relaxed. Holding here for 3, for 2, for 1, you can come back up into that stance, into that tabletop, and over to the other side. That right leg out towards the side, and gently lean yourself down. Now, if you can't come all the way down, it's not a problem. Wherever's comfortable, wherever that stretch feels good to you, that's where I want you to be. Just hold here and lean forward and enjoy it. We're gonna come into a downward dog after this, so let's just lean it out for the next 3, 2, last lean forward, and gently slide yourself back up onto the hands. We're gonna come up onto the toes, into that downward dog, follow the eye line, and we are gonna pedal the heels out from here, just taking the heel down towards the mat and trying to reach the mat, feeling the stretch in the calves. Abs are engaged for 3, for 2, for 1. Now let's just hold it here for a second. We're gonna take that left leg and bring it towards the chest. Now as you do, we're gonna relax down on it, sliding the right leg back, coming into a pigeon pose. We're gonna turn towards our right side. We're gonna lift the arm up and over and just circle around for 3, for 2, for 1, and in the other direction for 3, for 2, on 1, come back into that downward dog for me. Lift the hips up high. We're gonna take that right leg, bring it in towards the chest, and gently come down on it, relaxing down, feeling that stretch in the glute. Now turn towards your left. We're gonna take that arm and circle back for 3, repeating the same thing we did. 2, 1, keep the abs engaged for me. And we take it forward for 3, for 2, for 1, and coming back into a tabletop position on the knees. I want your booty to come down between the feet, so we're gonna come down into that child's pose, and we're gonna stretch the arms forward nice and long, relax the head down, and just breathe right here for me, feeling the stretch throughout. Allow everything to relax. You are almost through your cool down, everyone. Relax the head down on the mat. Just breathe here. Take an inhale. Another exhale. On the next inhale, we're gonna lift up, and we're just gonna take it back one more time on that exhale for 3, 2, 1, and gently pull yourself back up. We're gonna come into a kneeling position, stretch out the arms, and then we are finished with our cool down. So I just want you to interlock the fingers. We're gonna press forward with those hands, relax the shoulders down, and allow that back to stretch. Now, if you want, you can pulse to the side, over to the other side, keeping the abs stable for 3, for 2, for 1, and we're gonna take those hands behind, again, interlocking the fingers, and you're just pulling down on the shoulders, allowing the chest to come forward. If you want, you can lift those hands up a little bit higher and feel that stretch throughout. If you want, you can pulse side to side, whatever feels good to you today, for 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna take you back towards the center, release those arms down. We're gonna take that left arm over the head, gently grab the left elbow with the right hand, and just allow that stretch to happen in the back of the arm, that tricep area, which we've also done quite a bit of work on, right? Hold here. For 5, just breathe. 4, don't force the stretch either. 2, and 1, we're just gonna shake it out and come over to the other side. So that left arm grabs the right elbow and gently pulls into that stretch. Hold here and breathe. We're gonna end off with some shoulder rollouts, and that'll complete our cool down. 2, on 1, release those arms down. I just want you to take the shoulders back and down for 3, for 2, just roll it out. Last 1, and forward for me for 3, for 2, for 1. Now bring the shoulders up, shrug them, and as you let them go, let it all hang loose. There you go. One last neck roll to the right, a neck roll to the left, and your cool down is complete. That's it for our cool down. I hope you're feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Now don't forget to do this after our workouts together. Smash that thumbs up button to help support the channel. Subscribe if you didn't already for a new workout every week, and I will see you for the next one.